Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following vehicle here. So now I start checking from this truck first. Now I put some water. Okay, the first one is a bus, a super low floor bus. The next one, police car, yellow color. How about this one? Garbage truck. Monster truck. Bulldozer. Bulldozer, yellow color. Super motorbike, pink color. This one is a kind of racing super motorbike, but its color is my favorite color, pink color. Very nice for lady. About this one, everybody, excavator, mini excavator. Four wheels, super motorbike. Monster truck. Iron Man. How about this one? School bus, yellow color. Mini crane. Everybody, let's move forward so we can see another bigger truck. Cement mixer, mini cement mixer. Super motorbike. Mobile tanky. Mobile tanky, Indonesian language, but in English we call it tank truck. Cement mixer, shoot cement mixer truck. Super motorbike, police super motorbike, white color. You can hear my little helper call me. He also brings me any cars here. How about this one? Leather truck. Cement mixer truck. Four wheels, super motorbike. Hero Captain America. Monster truck, white color. Mini airplane. Bulldozer. Everyone, so now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck. Don't forget to enjoy your day. Be happy every time, everywhere. Thank you for watching my video.